friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this professional condenser mic and I am sharing its shopping review, how we will assemble it. Condenser microphone holder, then microphone cable, this fixture for stand like this, and we can fix it easily to any wooden platform or any metallic platform, and we can tighten it here so it will movable as per our requirement. Up down in any direction we can adjust it. Condenser microphone, sound filter for blocking the noise, USB and audio cables, and here we have V8 live sound cards. It is sound mixer. Let's assemble it. First we will see pin out connections here. If we are using dynamic microphone, we will connect here. Then condenser mic. We can use this stand. Here mic holder. We will install this fixture here, and I will fix to my table any wooden platform here, and I will tighten it. This microphone fixture here, we can insert microphone here, but for this time I will use in handheld position. Here are 3 pins, and we have 3 pin connector here. We will insert this lock into this guide pin that is here. In this way it is now locked. Now I will connect microphone cable to the condenser mic port here. Then headset. If we have headset or we want to use hand-free, we will connect here. These 2 ports, earphone speakers, earphone and speaker or headset, we will connect here. I will use my speaker. It is just to listen the output of this sound card. It is not necessary to connect the speaker, but this time to check the output we can monitor the output of this card. Then there is charging port. Because it have built-in battery, always charge it before use, and it is best to charge it and then use it without charger. Otherwise, if we will connect charger and we will record, at that time might be it can provide hum sound or some switching noise, some noise that is due to the switching noise of the mobile charger. So here we can connect this USB charging cable and charge it. After that it will give 3 to 4 hours backup, and with the same cable we can connect to accompanying instrument, and we can also connect computer here. If we are using any musical instrument that have USB output, we can connect here. Then there are two live outputs, live 1 and live 2. We have two cables. All the input signals which are reaching here, that signals are processed through this sound card, and we can mix many predefined sounds, sound effects. We can increase treble, bass, and we can add music. And final output from live 1, live 2, we can provide to our laptop for recording or for live streaming, live broadcasting, or we can connect our mobile phone, so this audio signal will reach and it will behave like a microphone. I will connect live 1 in my mobile. So for safety purpose, mute the speakers, media, ringtone, alarms, calls, so that the high power speaker output will not enter in this sound card. I will apply power, USB power to my speaker. I can use this live output for my computer, or we can insert this signal into accompanying instrument here, and I will connect to audio jack. The message is visible that headset is connected now. Now let's turn it on. When I want to turn it on, I will press this power button for 3 seconds. It is now turned on. Hello, hello, hello. To control this noise, we can use this mic level. We can adjust the sensitivity of this microphone. And here is echo. Hello, 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 hello. We can increase bass and treble, because this time the speakers are directly facing to this microphone. I will hide them so that, hello, yes, now it's good. So the sound corridor is now directing to other side. Hello, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is monitor output. It must be adjusted to full, or we can set it to any required level, so that we can take best signal to noise ratio. When we are connecting this microphone here on this stand, at that time we can install this shield here. It will work as a noise filter. Now I will turn on Bluetooth, and here is V8. It is now pairing. Allow access to your contacts and call history. No need to allow it, because we are not using it for mobile dialing or that. Pair. Now this mobile is connected through Bluetooth. If I will run any item from this mobile, it will give input through this Bluetooth, and it will provide output to the speakers, and same time the final product signal that is coming out from this live 1, live 2. It is available for recording, for live broadcasting, and we can mix different audio signals, different audio effects in that signal.
Area is different. It has more than this one.
So this signal plus these audio effects are now available at speaker, and we can also provide these signals for recording. Same way we can run from my computer. Now this speaker output is coming here, and we are adding sound effects on that signal. If I will use my microphone, or we are using dynamic mic, all audio signals are reaching out to that speaker. Now I will use sound recorder. Hello, 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 hello. We can see this time. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. 16. We can search this time 115. It is available. Hello, hello, 7, hello, hello. Same time when we are taking audio output from this point, from this port and the second port, we will listen also in the headset. We can use monitor signal, we can use recording level up to minimum or maximum whatsoever, and we can add bass and treble. If you don't want to use external speaker at that time, we can remove this cable, and we can remove headset as well. Now our system is ready to record video. When I will record video, it will use this audio signal, and we can process through this sound card, and we can mix these audio effects as well. I hope this video is informative. If it is good, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching.